Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will do exercise 3D of book D3 8th edition Think New syllabus, and question number 1 we have to start. Question number 1, they are saying that sketch the graph of each of the following function. Now first of all, what is the difference between draw the graph and sketch the graph? Basically, when we have to draw the graph, so we will use a proper scale, and in which you have to mention each and every value. For example, if we are drawing the graph from 1 till 8, the value of x from 1 till 8, so you have to label each and every point. You have to draw a proper, you will take a proper table. We have to make a proper table in which we will take some values of x and some values of y, and we will draw each and every point on the graph paper. While for sketching, we will take some few points, for example the turning point, the y-intercept, and equation of symmetry, and with the help of these 2-3 points, highlighted point, we can sketch the graph. Clear? Although we have to choose a scale in this as well, but we are not supposed to draw each and every point. Okay, previously in exercises we have done the equation, we have done the graph of the quadratic equation, that are the simple quadratic equation. But now this is also a quadratic equation, but this quadratic equation is in factorized form. So how we can sketch the graph when the equation is in factorized form? So this means that this equation is in the form of y is equal to x minus h and x minus k. This is the general form, with the help of which we can find out the coordinates of x, we can find out the turning points and coordinate of turning point, and then we can sketch our graph. So let's see that how we can do this. For sketching graph, we will be needing the very first point is y-intercept. Okay. Second point that we have to be drawn, that is x-intercept. Obviously हम सारे पॉइंट्स तो ड्रॉ नहीं करें, सो हमें कुछ मेन पॉइंट्स चाहिए जो हमें इस ग्राफ को ड्रॉ करने के लिए ज़रूरी हैं. एंड टर्निंग पॉइंट्स, ऑब्वियसली इसके भी आपको एक्स एंड वाई एक्सिस के पॉइंट्स चाहिए होते हैं. y-intercept के लिए we know that y-intercept is a point where which our graph is cutting on y-axis. So that means over here the value of x is 0. So in the given equation you will put x is equal to 0 for y-intercept x is equal to, we should put x is equal to 0 in the given equation. So y is equal to 0 plus 1, and over here 0 plus 3. So from here it is 1, from here it is 3. So that means y is equal to 3. This is your y-intercept. First point we got it. Second point, x-intercept. We have two methods. Either you will compare with this, or either you will get it with the by putting y is equal to 0. I will do both the methods in this first question. First method is that either you will put y is equal to 0. So when y is equal to 0, so our equation will be in the form of this. So either we know that x plus 1 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. So from here x is equal to minus 1, or from here x is equal to minus 3. Second method is that you will compare your equation with the general equation. With the general equation, that means minus h is equal to 1 and minus k is equal to 3. So from here h is equal to minus 1 and k is equal to minus 3. Okay, these are the two methods. You can choose any of the method जो आपको easy लगता है. Now for the turning point. This is the first one. Okay, this is the second one. And now for turning point. For turning point, what we have to do, we will take the x coordinate and we will do is equal to 0. That is, टर्निंग पॉइंट के लिए आपके पास फॉर्मूला होता है h प्लस के डिवाइडेड बाय 2. ठीक है, x कोऑर्डिनेट के लिए. अब x कोऑर्डिनेट हमारे पास क्या है, -1 प्लस -3 डिवाइडेड बाय 2. सो फ्रॉम हियर इट इज़ -1 -3 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 -4 by 2. सो द आंसर इज -2. एंड फॉर वाई कोऑर्डिनेट जो आपके पास यहाँ से वैल्यू आती है ना एक्स की, वो आप पुट करते हैं यहाँ पे, ठीक है। ये आपका टर्निंग पॉइंट का क्या, टर्निंग पॉइंट की एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट की वैल्यू आई है। वाई कोऑर्डिनेट के लिए you will put the value of x is equal to -2 in my given equation. It will be -2 plus 1 and -2 plus 3. So from here it is -1 and from here it is +1. So the value of y coordinate is -1. So x coordinate is -2 for turning point and y coordinate is -1. Hope so the points are clear. Whenever you have to find the we have to make the sketch of the quadratic equation that is in the form of factorized, we will be needing 3 points: y-intercept, x-intercept, and the turning point. Y-intercept, how we will find? By putting the value of x is equal to 0 in the given equation, you will get the value of y. Then for x-intercept, we have two methods: either you will put y is equal to 0, either you will compare with this, so you will get x-intercept. For the turning point, because in turning point we have again two coordinate, x and y coordinate. For x coordinate the formula is h plus k divided by 2, and for y coordinate whatever the value you will get from here, the value of x, that you will put in your equation and you will get the value of y. Now let's sketch this on our graph paper. Obviously we have to make a scale for us. Either you will take 1 and -1, like one box, or either you will take two boxes, it's your choice. 3 and 4. Now for sketching it's not necessary that we will plot all the points. हम सिर्फ अपने लिए एक idea ले लेते हैं और उसके बाद we will draw the points. Okay, for y intercept I am having the value y is equal to 3. So this is my point, that is y is equal to 3. मतलब यहाँ पे हमारा ग्राफ कट करेगा. इसके बाद आपके पास जो कोऑर्डिनेट्स हैं हमारे पास x के, that is -1 and -3. So this is -3, दिस इज़ -1. ये हमारे पास दो पॉइंट्स हैं. इसके बाद हमारे पास जो टर्निंग पॉइंट है उसमें आपके पास x की वैल्यू है -2 एंड y की वैल्यू है -1. सो दिस इज़ माय टर्निंग पॉइंट. सो दैट मीन ये ग्राफ मेरा यहाँ से यूँ करके बनेगा, ठीक है. सो दिस ग्राफ विल बी स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम हेयर, या आप यहाँ से ज्वाइन कर लें, इसको एक्सटेंड कर देते हैं हम, और ये ग्राफ आया यहाँ पे और इसके यहाँ पे इसने कट कर दिया, और इस ग्राफ को आप यहाँ से एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं. नाउ यू कैन सी दैट दिस इज़ योर टर्निंग पॉइंट. इस पे वैल्यूज़ जो है वो आपस में इक्वली डिस्टेंस पे है, या लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री हमारे पास यहाँ से ड्रॉ हो सकती है. सो हमने यहाँ पे सारे के सारे पॉइंट्स, वी आर नॉट सपोज टू प्लॉट ईच एंड एवरी पॉइंट. आपके पास 4 पॉइंट्स है जिसको आपने प्लॉट किया, and after that we have sketched our graph. Moving towards its part 2, and let's see that what they are saying in part 2. Part 2 is x minus 2, x plus 4. सबसे पहले first of all we have to find y intercept. For y intercept I have to put x is equal to 0, so it will be 0 minus 2, and from here it is 0 plus 4. So from here it is -2 and into 4, the answer is -8. Okay, the next value is x intercept. For x intercept I have two methods. Either put y is equal to 0, या आप कंपेयर कर लें, मुझे ये ज़्यादा इजी लगता है. y is equal to 0, x minus 2 and x plus 4. So from here it is x minus 2 is equal to 0 and x plus 4 is equal to 0. X is equal to 2 and x is equal to -4. These are my x coordinates. And the last one is turning points. For turning points coordinates of x, for x it is h plus k divided by 2, that 2 points, that is 2 minus 4 divided by 2, it is -2 divided by 2, so the answer is -1. And for y I have to put this value in my given equation. It will be -1 -2 and -1 plus 4. So from here it is -3, and from the other side it is also +3. So the answer is -9. So I got the 3 points. Again I have to sketch the graph. So let's do it. Okay, First of all, this is minus 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is minus 8. So this is my y-intercept. X-intercept, it's 2 and minus 4. 2, 1 and 2. Positive 2, minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is minus 4. And turning point, minus 1 and minus 9. That means x is minus 1 and y is minus 9. So this is the point, because this was 8 and this was minus 9. So I have to combine all these points. So from here the graph will start. This is my y-intercept and it will come and join over here. So this is how we will sketch all our graphs. This from here I can draw the line of symmetry. It's too easy to sketch the graph. Okay, part C is y is equal to minus x plus 5 and x minus 5. That means due to this minus sign, the graph will be upside down like this. So for y-intercept, I have to put x0. So it will be equal to minus x is 0 plus 1, and from here it is 0 minus 5. So from here it is minus 1 and minus 5. So minus minus plus, y-intercept is plus 5. So this is y-intercept. For x-intercept I have to put y0. So y is equal to 0. This is equal to minus x plus 1 and x minus 5. So either x plus 1 is equal to 0, minus x plus 1 basically is equal to 0, or x minus 5 is equal to 0. Due to this minus sign, it doesn't affect, because this minus will come over here and it will vanish. So from here it is equal to x minus 1, and from here it is equal to x is equal to 5. Turning points. For turning points, first of all I have to do h plus k. So that means x coordinate minus 1 plus 5 divided by 2. So it is 4 divided by 2, 2. And I will put this 2 on my equation, in my equation. So it will become 2 plus 1 and 2 minus 5. So minus, it is 3, and from here it is minus 3. Minus minus will become 9. So positive 9. Obviously हमारे पास y-intercept भी positive है और turning point भी, so it will be the maximum value. So let's draw it on the graph paper. Okay जी, the x coordinate, first of all y-intercept is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is your point. Second is x coordinate, that is minus 1. This is a point. And second point is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is my point 5. Okay ji, the turning point is 2 and 9. 2, 1, 2 and 9. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is here turning point. Okay, so I have to sketch the graph. This will be upside down, as I told you earlier. So from here it will turn from here and it will come back and it will join the point over here. This is your turning point. Okay, so you can see this is your line of symmetry, because from here 1, 2, 3, gap of 3, and from here also 1, 2, 3. So sorry, from here it's this is your line of symmetry, because this is your turning point. So you can check it from by counting the points 1, 2, 3, and also 1, 2 and 3. Moving towards the next part, that is part D. Okay, again there is a minus 1. That means its graph will also be upside down. So first of all y-intercept, for y-intercept I have to put x is equal to 0. So y is equal to minus 0 minus 1 and 0 plus 6. From here it is minus 1 and 6. Minus minus will become plus 6. For x-intercept, I have to compare, either I will compare with y is equal to x minus h and x minus k. Okay, let's do this part with that one. Okay, minus h is equal to -1 and minus k is equal to 6. So from here h is equal to 1 and k is equal to -6. And the last one is turning points. Turning point x coordinate will be equal to 1 minus 6 divided by 2, so minus 5 divided by 2. So the answer from here it is minus 2.5. And y coordinates will be equal to from here it is minus and minus 2.5 minus 1, and from here it is minus 2.5 plus 6. So from here it is minus 3.5, and from here it is uh, also 3.5. So the answer from here it is plus 12.25. So let's draw this on our graph paper. First of all, I have to draw the x's. If I will draw the x's over here, hope so it will fit in. Okay, the value of -6 it will rejoin. Okay, I have to go for the next page because इस पेज पे कुछ सही नहीं बनेगा. Okay, from here if I will start, and because there is no negative value for y, 1 2 I will start from here because there is no negative value na for y. So this is x, positive, negative, negative and positive. Okay, y intercept value is, hope so you can see that y intercept value is 6. So first of all 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6, this is my point. Second is x intercept 1, this is a point, and -6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, this is a point. And the turning points are -2.5, so this is 1 and 2, so somewhere here it is -2.5 between 2.5 and this, and 12.5. So from here it will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Oh my god, so somewhere here it will be, I don't want to draw that again. So I have to join it. It will be, okay, sorry, it will be coming down, and this is my point. Clear? It's very easy. All you have to find out the figure out the points, and then you have to sketch the graph. It's very easy. Part E is y is equal to 3 minus x and x plus 2. So from here y intercept is, for y intercept I have to put x is equal to 0. For y intercept x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3 minus 0 and 0 plus 2. So from here it is 3 and 2, 3 2s are 6. The next one is x intercept. For x intercept I have to put y 0, or I will compare with that. If I will put y is equal to 0, so it will be 3 minus x and x plus 2. So that means 3 minus x is equal to 0 and x plus 2 is equal to 0. So from here this x will shift on the other side, so the value of x will be equal to 3, and from here x is equal to -2. Okay, the last values, the turning points. For the turning point, 3 minus 2 divided by 2, so it will be 1 by 2, that is 0.5. And for y coordinate I have to put the values over there. It will be 3 minus 0.5, and it is 0.5 plus 2. So from here it is 3 minus 0.5, it's 2.5, and also 2.5, multiply them. So the answer from here it is 6.25. Let's do the last one, then we will draw the graph combinedly by the end. Okay, part F is, let's figure out the values now. Part F is y is equal to 2 minus x and 4 minus x. So for y intercept, put x is equal to 0. So y is equal to 2 minus 0, 4 minus 0. So the answer is 2 into 4 and the answer is 8. For x intercept, put x is equal to 0, or I want to compare with that will x minus h, and it is x minus k. Okay, now if I want to compare that, so इसको मुझे minus common करना पड़ेगा, so 0 के equally कर लेते हैं, that is much easy. Okay, 0 is equal to 2 minus x. इसमें थोड़ा सा ये आप लोग घूम जाएंगे, so it's बेटर कि आप इसी तरह से ही कर लें. इज इक्वल टू 0 और 4 माइनस एक्स, दिस इज इक्वल टू 0. सो फ्रॉम हेयर एक्स इज इक्वल टू 2 एंड फ्रॉम हेयर एक्स इज इक्वल टू 4. ओके, next one is turning points. Turning point x coordinate will be equal to 2 plus 4 divided by 2. It is 6 by 2, that mean it's 3. And for y it will be 3 minus 1 and 4 minus 3. 3, no, sorry, it is 2 minus 3. मेरे माइंड में आंसर 1 चल रहा है, so that I have written. Okay, the answer from here it is minus 1 and from here it is 1, so the answer is minus 1. So now let's draw both of them on the graph paper, part E and part F. So first of all, for part E, okay ji, for part E the y intercept is 6, so that means 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is my point. X coordinates are 3 and minus 2. 1 2 3, this is 1 point. Minus 2, 1 and 2, this is second point. Okay, this one is turning point, 0.5 and 6.25. 0.5, this is the value, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 0.25 will be over here. So this is the turning point. Let's join the points. It will be coming down 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 and it will be over here. ये टर्निंग पॉइंट कुछ गलत लग रहा है मुझे. वाई let's figure it out again. Sorry, it was 0.5, so 0.5 will be over here. I have taken minus 0.5. Sorry, it's my bad. So 0.5 and this is the point, so that means this will be the turning point. That's why I'm saying that ग्राफ कुछ अजीब सा बन गया. सो ये आपके पास अब ये देखें, ये ग्राफ बन गया बिल्कुल सही. ठीक है, इसीलिए कहते हैं पेंसिल से नहीं, पेंसिल से बनाना चाहिए, पेन से नहीं. सो आई कांट रिमूव इट. ओके, मूविंग टूवर्ड्स पार्ट एफ. एंड पार्ट एफ इज अगेन, लेट्स सी दैट व्हाट दे आर सेइंग इन पार्ट एफ. पार्ट एफ में आपके पास है जनाब 8 एंड 8. ओके, सो आपके पास मोस्टली वैल्यूज़ हमारे पास पॉजिटिव साइड में ही है. सो लेट्स ड्रॉ इट. y intercept is 8. Hope so you can see that. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, this is your y intercept. X intercepts are 2 and 4. 1 2, this is point. 3 4, this is the point, turning point. 3 3 and minus 1, this is the point. ओके, देखें बिल्कुल एग्जैक्टली बीच में ही आ रहा है. सो जॉइन द पॉइंट्स, कम कम कम, एंड फ्रॉम हियर इट विल मूव अप. So that means it's done. Question number 1 is done. See you in the next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz.